The Strava for Pickleball is here. So I've been playing pickleball for 4 weeks now. So medyo masasabi kong nasa pickleball era na ako ngayon. And as a developer, I saw different problems na I think kaya ko namang solusyonan. Like keeping track of your score while you're playing. Kasi kami pag naglalaro kami, lagi namin nakakalimutan kung sino na bang magsiserve sa pickleball. Lalo kapag init na kami, sobrang focus namin sa game. And that's why I built Tally, your sports counter. It works on both your iPhone and your Apple Watch para sobrang dali nang mag-score ng pickleball games nyo. And pinadali ko pa kasi meron kang double tap feature. And here's how it works. So first, search mo lang tong Tally Sports Scorer. Tapos buksan mo yung app and you can start your game either in watch or phone and just start your game. As simple, as fast as that. Pwede rin siya sa watch. At may double tap gesture din. At lagi mong malalaman kung sino talaga magsaserve. And you can also see all your match history, the statistics, and the AI insights 100% on device and fully offline. You can also ask your coach kung paano ba ma-improve yung game mo na yun. At ang pinaka-importante, you can share your matches through the overlay templates. Sobrang solid na to pag gusto mong i-share yung mga laro mo. And bonus feature, it also connects to your Apple Health and Apple Fitness. So you know what's your heart rate and how much calories you burned per match every single game. So kung may friend ka na nasa pickleball era nila, share mo tong video na to and tag mo na rin sila. Because